Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to add vein mining into Minecraft without mods. The Vein Mining Datapack enables you to mine huge ore veins by breaking a single block. After enabling the datapack on your server, all you have to do is type in /reload in chat to ensure the pack's features take effect. Then, if you come across an ore vein at some point, you just have to normally click it to mine all of them. Your tool will be damaged just like if you mined each ore individually too, to maintain balance. If this datapack already wasn't useful enough, it also adds another feature. This feature is that if your tool is about to break, it immediately stops the vein mining to prevent that. If at any point you don't want to mine a whole vein, you can just shift and mine and it breaks the ore one at a time. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. Scroll down to where it says From GitHub and click it, then press continue. That'll redirect you to a GitHub page. Under the assets heading, make sure to click the first file. Its name should look like this. Upon clicking it, it should automatically download the datapack zip. Once that's done, we recommend dragging the datapack zip to a place where you can easily access, for example, your desktop. This is so it's easier to follow the next few steps. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. The creator states that this datapack is suitable for versions 1.15 to 1.18, so I've set my server to 1.18.2. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Firstly, I'll be showing you how to upload the datapack onto a world you've already created. This datapack doesn't require you to make a new world, but if you're interested in that, I'll be showing you how to create a brand new world with the datapack enabled after. Firstly, what you're going to do is head to the Files tab, click on the World folder and then the Datapacks folder. Here's where you're going to drag the Vein Mining Datapack zip you downloaded at the beginning of the video. And that's it, the datapack is uploaded onto your world. However, if you're interested in creating a brand new world with the datapack enabled, you're going to want to head to the Worlds tab. Here's where you're going to create a brand new world. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual. Just make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below, you'll see a button labeled Upload Datapacks. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area you saved the Vein Mining Datapack zip to. Once you've found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. Double click on your World folder and then go into the Datapacks folder. If you see the datapack zip inside, it means you followed these steps correctly. Now that the datapack is uploaded, all you have to do is log into your server to experience the new additions. You can do this by heading to the dashboard and copying the host name. Afterwards, quickly launch your Minecraft application and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server and in the server address section, paste the host name. Name your server whatever you want and then join it. Once you're in, you'll be able to see that the datapack is enabled on your server. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching!